old boy here is coming out of the ditch. There's a little bit of space that I'm working with. Now you'll start to see the boom. You'll watch it. It'll lean over. I only let it move about an inch. That's about it. That's all I want it to move, because you don't want to do it anymore. Is it needed? Probably not. However, hang on. Let's see what we got. We're still secure. Still secure there. Problem is, I got to get him up off the ground. Way up. We need to move about another 3 or 4 feet. Danger close operation here. The shiv heads are all pointing the right direction. We're all right there. Yeah, the trailer's definitely getting closer to the truck. Okay. Let's take a look at the situation. Oh. Yeah, see, that's a problem. Since the tow truck has it, let me just crawl underneath here. I put my glove on the ground as a marker. I went to the other side of the truck and got him pretty close. Let's see what we got over here. How are we looking? Still dangling in the air there. So, tell you what we're going to do is we're going to let some pressure off of it. And we're going to see if she starts leaning really good. First of all, let's loosen up the high line, because if it does start to lean, I sure shit don't want to take the tow truck with it. That'd be a bad day there. Oh yeah. We are stationary. Alright, I got slack in the lines. Okay. Now let's see where you're at. Shit. You know what? You might just be able to drive right out of that. As long as homie don't stop. Shit, I think he can drive out of that.